And then one more nails, we'll do a chamfer foil. I'm gonna do Sky Bling, and then also with the is Unicorn Fine Eye Sheet. So start with for all of you just tuning in, I got the nails is prepped and then applies the beige gels here for 10 seconds. Now I'm gonna move in the Sky Bling. And then it's gonna apply it like all inside the nails. Feeling a little bit too much. Then we're gonna put it back in. So the best thing about you don't have to wait is it's gonna be dry until you're completely set and key under the LED lights. And it's no odor at all, literally. I'm gonna submerging my brush into the beige gels. I'm gonna have to close this, almost like spill this one. It's not alcohol or acetone, it is the beige gels. And literally tuck it in the cuticles area. And then blend it. And at this time, if you want to encapsulate anything, you can. Like if you put like little glitters in there. Because I really want to do that glitter from the subscription box. So gorgeous. Oh, it's raining. Excuse me. Great. So I have some of this, my Fine Eye Sheet. I'm loving it. If you have it on the subscription box this month, it is special for you. So I'm gonna add some. It even looks so like cool. And I cut it's like it stick on my nails. There's another one. You can add so many you want to. Some it's kind of several of them. Oh, I like the long one. You can cut longer, shorter. It's easy, just cutting it and add them on. Nails. That's cool, huh? Hey Dom, how are you? All right, so let's clear for 30-second flash clear, because we're also gonna cap it with the crystal clear. So here is crystal clear. I want to do just smaller beads. Hey everyone, how are you? Happy Friday. Thanks so much for tuning in. So you can able to build and create like a totally completely enhancement set of nails with a velvety gels. It's no odor, so flexible. The consistency is amazing. All right, I'm gonna wipe the can you close this one? And submerging my brush back into the beige gels. This is not alcohol, it's a beige gels. The Fine Eye Sheet's like, hey, let me tag along with. Stick all over my nails. And then you are gonna tuck in your crystal clear. It's gonna be cell level. It's really nice and beautiful. It's only I need to do is my motion right now, just guide it. So then it's not just like, it's already cell levels really well for you. I just guide it, so then that way it's going right in the middle of the nail. So instead of it just like a bulky finish on the side, turn it upside down. Hello, hi Theo, thanks so much. Ah, you want your nails like that, right, Mika? I loving this. Look, next set, Mika. This is gonna be cool, huh? Wait a minute. There you go. All right, look at that. How it's blending really nice. I do not have to do so much. Look, it does everything for me already. Upside down and cure for 60 seconds. Full cure. Looks really good in person.